Well, another day, another box. New product for video review. NEBURIA. I don't know what this is. So this is the eFoam 2 electric foam sprayer. Very useful to clean cars, especially the wheels that are the most problematic. Here are the instructions. So you charge it, you spray, put water. Take a look at it. So this is where you put your liquid to clean. She has a valve there. And then all the I missed this part. To seal it completely so it doesn't leak. There you go. USB wire to charge it. So this is nice. No wires required to operate it. Let's see, where's the charger? Back here. Yeah. That's where you charge. And a lot of different accessories. So I'm gonna take a look to how to use these brushes. Yeah, this is like to do it manually as you do it with this. So I'm gonna wait to demonstrate that when I'm washing a car. So according to the instructions, you have to make sure that it's fully charged before the first use. The indicator has to change from orange to green. Then you have to put the water or car wash detergent and start spraying. Obviously some precautions like any device and any tool that you use. Pressure relief bulb, spray button, power button, water level mark. So let's do the charging first. I have this wire here set up because I have a lot of devices to charge all the time. But it's a universal USB port. There it is. And yes, it's orange, so we're gonna need to wait till it's green. Okay, now light is green, means it's charged. Yeah, it goes automatically to orange when I press on, but it's already charged. We're gonna use this liquid dish soap. There are specific products obviously for cars, but this is just to demonstrate how it works. So now the battery is fully charged, it's green now. It has different nozzles, different pressures, I guess. Spray whatever you're working on. So I'm gonna try that one for now. Here are the 3 different brushes to do more detailed work or cleaning. So let's fill it up and go out and work on it. I'm gonna add a little, it's not a lot, just to get some foam action in there. Okay, we have this tire, which is not really dirty, but it has some brake dust here, so let's try this on. Oh, it creates a really nice foam because of the pressure. Like with this other brush, which is a little more big, and you can use the ones that they come with equipment. In any detailed job, you have to be patient, get into every little hole here. Let's do it again. Let's bring the hose to rinse it. So a huge difference. It's really clean now, you can tell. I mean, you can keep working here endlessly. Really difficult to get to, but you get the point. The NEBURIA foam machine, I really like it. Here are some instructions. Orange light means charging, blue light means standby. Green light, fully charged. Red light, low battery. Blue light flashing, it says inflation operation. The device will automatically power off after 3 minutes of inactivity. Oh, so resume, press the power button. So if you leave it on, it will stop. So we have a little bit of water and soap here. Let's wash this car and maybe this one too. Let's do it. So there it is. Clean a car like a professional with the NEBURIA foam gun. Thumbs up.